Are you looking forward to earn rewards on Talkie AI? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily earn rewards on Talkie AI. First thing first, move into your application Talkie AI. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you are logged in, it will land you on this page. First thing first, you need to try talking to as many Talkie AI as you want to. The more you talk, the more reward you might receive. Just complete the daily interactions and stay active. Now the next thing you want to try doing is head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Over here you have to create your own Talkie AI. Once created, you need to level up your Talkie AI character. The higher your character level, the more reward and opportunities you will unlock. So in order for you to level up faster, you need to chat with your Talkie AI regularly. As your character gains experience and reaches higher levels, you will unlock new milestones and become eligible for more rewards. Don't forget to complete daily missions, participate in special events, and claim any available bonuses. These help you progress even faster. So start chatting, keep leveling up your Talkie AI character, and enjoy the reward that comes with your progress. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.